Laboratory tests prove the protection against immersion in water under stated conditions of pressure and time. Integrated safety switch with 4 electrical contacts, 2 normally open plus 2 normally closed, 1 normally open plus 3 normally closed. Double insulation, positive opening. Approved by IMQ and UL. Super technopolymer, a new generation of engineering plastic material, high mechanical performance, adjustable operating angle, easy and tamper-proof installation. IP67 protection class, complete protection against dust and immersion in water. To guarantee IP67 protection class, a permanent safety plug in thermoplastic elastomer is to be fitted into the hole that allows for the screw adjustment of the operating angle. The safety hinge is designed to guarantee IP67 protection class, thus allowing its application in any situation or environment where cleaning cycles for hygienic reasons are required. The test shows that after 30 minutes of complete immersion in water at 1 meter, according to the international standards, no penetration of water or humidity has taken place. The hinge switch proves to be perfectly functioning.